guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today is the second day of Christmas, aka Christmas Eve, and I'm just gonna be vlogging our day. So far it's like 10:30, so in about an hour we're gonna head down to my Aunt Alicia's house and we're gonna probably make some ornaments, maybe make some cookies, stuff like that. And I'm just gonna go ahead and vlog. Real quick side note, my hair is soaking wet. It's not greasy. I know I feel like I end up vlogging a lot when I've got like wet hair, and then I'm like, ew, my hair looks greasy when I'm looking at the camera. So I got out of the shower. I don't have nasty greasy hair. It's very clean. It's wet. So that is all. Oh, duh. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button down below. All right, I will talk to you guys later on. All right, so we are about to head to my Aunt Alicia's house, and it's super foggy outside. Like, it's really, really foggy. I don't know if you guys will be able to see on camera. I think you can kind of tell, not really, but it's super foggy out, and it looks kind of pretty, actually, since we don't have snow right now. Look at that fog. That's literally so thick. When you're inside of it, you can't see it that well, but it's pretty thick.
The ombres I can do.
We just finished ornaments. I look like I'm 6 years old. It's fine. I don't care if you're talking. But this is literally like... I did my best. Here's Colton's. He just wanted a white star.
Only the smile went wrong, but really everything else I was able to fix.
It looks good. Here, Kirsten, show yours. Whoa, that's like a sparkle explosion. Why do you sound evil? What'd you guys do?
You need like a...
Aiden, that looks pretty, babe. What does yours look like? Ooh, good job, Kinsey. Yours looks so cute, Ira.
It's a glitter explosion.
No, it's like tie-dye. Good job, guys. Say hi. You did it. You look so cute. Look, we match. We both have ponytails, and they're kind of crazy. So right now we are wrapping presents, and that's really fun. Because then, I don't know, doing it alone is pretty boring, but doing it with other people is fun. So yeah, we're just wrapping presents right now and listening to Christmas music. What do you have? Train? Say choo-choo. So we are back from Aunt Alicia's house, and it's 3 o'clock. We had a lot of fun. We had pizza, we made ornaments, we wrapped presents, we listened to Christmas music, just had a lot of fun. And we just got a Christmas card for Katie, and she is super awesome. She's like a big sister, super cool, and I'm so glad we got their I'm so glad we got their Christmas card. And we literally got it like right before Christmas. So that is all. I think we might end up watching Christmas movies or something like that, but I will tell you guys later. So right now it's 6 o'clock, and we're just gonna be doing like leftovers for dinner, but I wanted to also try out like this taco soup recipe that I found on Pinterest. I'll have it linked down below so that you guys can try it out if you are interested, and also don't forget to follow me on Pinterest. I will also have my Pinterest linked down below. It's just at Callie Abigail. So I'm gonna be trying this new recipe out. Not everybody in our family likes all of like the tomatoes that go in it and the beans and stuff like that. So this is honestly only for a couple of us, but I still wanted to just try it out anyway. So I'm gonna get started with the recipe. Right now, this is what it looks like. It's got the beans and tomatoes and hamburger meat. It smells really good. And then we're gonna serve it with like some shredded cheese. That way it can melt into it, and probably some sour cream too. Maybe tortilla chips, like crumble it up just to give it like some of a crunchy texture, but this looks so delicious. Okay, this food is like really good, and it took me under 20 minutes to make, so I'm definitely making this again. The recipe calls for like putting it in the crock pot, but you can also do it on the stovetop if you didn't throw it in earlier. So this is delicious, and 20 minutes is the tops that it'll take. In a little bit, we're going to go ahead and open our Christmas Eve presents. So on Christmas Eve, we get to open one present from Mom and Dad, which is some sort of like bedtime thing. So it'll be like a nightgown or slippers or something like that. And we get to open our present from our Auntie Rosie. All right, we just finished opening Christmas Eve presents. This is the nightgown that I got. I'm wearing Noxzema right now because we're about to watch Home Alone, and
No!
Really?
We're not watching Home Alone. We're
Okay.
not watching a
Okay.
Christmas movie.
fine, Colton. And we're gonna drink hot chocolate, and then I'll show you guys the presents that I opened for my Auntie Rosie tomorrow because I'm gonna be doing a Christmas haul. So tune back in tomorrow for that. And that pretty much wraps up our evening. We'll watch a Christmas movie, drink some hot cocoa, lay out cookies for Santa, and head to sleep and wait for Christmas. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.